Alright, YouTube. MannyReidTV, you want to check that out tonight? Subscribe, get in on this giveaway. We have an e-bike alarm. We are giving away at 100 subscribers. That's right, it is easy to enter, easy to win. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, comment on tonight's video, and all you have to do is comment the word bikes, and you are automatically entered. The day of the drawing, everybody will be notified, and it will be a public drawing. You will see all of the names put in and the name drawn out publicly. Good luck, everybody.